Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious and easy oatmeal balls. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 2 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of your favorite nut butter, and half a cup of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of chia seeds and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. These ingredients come together quickly for a healthy snack. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it is time to combine them. Take a large mixing bowl and add the 2 cups of rolled oats. Next, pour in the 1 cup of nut butter and the half cup of honey. Then, sprinkle in the 1/4 cup of chia seeds and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir everything together really well until it forms a thick, uniform, and sticky mixture. With your mixture thoroughly combined, it is time for the fun part, forming the balls. You can use a small cookie scoop for consistency, or simply use your hands. Take about 1 tablespoon of the mixture and roll it firmly between your palms. Aim for uniform, bite-sized balls, roughly 1 inch in diameter. Place each perfectly formed ball onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper as you go. Once all your oatmeal balls are formed, they need a little time to firm up. Place the baking sheet with the balls into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time helps them hold their shape perfectly. After chilling, transfer your delicious oatmeal balls to an airtight container. They will stay fresh and tasty in the refrigerator for up to 1 week, making them a great grab-and-go snack.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.